Wait, for everyone, you have to introduce yourself first. Who is your complete name, the class, and the title. Okay? Do not forget about it. Start now.
Terus, ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Zakis Rahman Al Farisi. I'm from 9.4. And first of all, let us thanks to Allah to make us together in here. And not only that, but with Allah also give us some chance to gather here to commemorate the 80th Independence Day of Republic Indonesia. May salawat and salam always be upon our great Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and not only that, by Prophet Muhammad also brought us from the darkness into the light of Islam. And ladies and gentlemen, standing here today is not only to speech contest, and also in this time also I want to give you some motivation that made by me. Okay, so I'm standing here is to perform my English speech. Okay, so Independence Day, it's not only the sacrifice, and August is the symbol of sacrifice of our superheroes. And as we know, superheroes of Indonesia is struggling to achieve the independence of Indonesia. And August 17 also the symbol of sacrifice, tears that from the superheroes of Indonesia. Dear of my friends, in this era also we must keep our skills to influence the other people into the goodness, because if we influence them into the goodness, will make the country will be peace, good and safe. Because if you want to make some country is peace and good, will make the country is unite. Because as we know, if the country and the society is unite, will make the country can be developed. And while if we influence them into the badness, will make the society will not be unite. And not only that, if we unite them into the badness also will brought us into the negative impact. And also if we brought them influence them into the badness, also can make the country is destroyed. And not only that, if you influence them into the badness also, it means you give some effort to destroy the country. So just influence them into the goodness. We can influence them into the goodness by respecting each other, because as we know, country that have good respecting also will make the country is good. So just make the country is peace. Okay, and dear of all of the audience, in this time also I want to give you some motivation that I think it will be useful for you. So in this time also you must use your skill, not only for influence them into the goodness, also you must use your skill to increase your skill. Not only that, it means you must increase your skill by always thinking critically, and also you can renew some information that you think is important. And there are my beloved friends. In this time, so many people that give some effort to destroy the country. So we must keep our attitude to make this country is unite. And as you know, our superheroes to achieve the freedom use their blood, tears, and sacrifice to achieve the independence. And now it's our turn to struggling the Independence Day. And to struggling the independence, you must not only by the weapons, but also by our willpower and our skill, and and not only that, in this time also we must use our critical thinking goodly, because as you know, in this time critical thinking is very important, because by use critical thinking I think you will be people that have good education. And in let's move into the past, that Insinyur Soekarno that declared the Independence Day of Indonesia, but it doesn't mean the end of the colonization, because as we know, after the Independence Day of Indonesia, the Indonesia was controlled by the Dutch, and because of that, as an Indonesia next generation, we must maintain our skill to make this country is developed. We can make the countries developed always by always give some motivation and some influence to them. And okay, before I end my speech, today, in this time, I will give you some little bit conclusion about my speech. So based on my speech, we can know that if you want to become some good student and good friends and also good citizens, you must use your critical thinking goodly, because as we know, critical thinking was very important for our daily life. And yeah, that's all for my speech. Long life Indonesia. Happy 80 Independence Day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.